Today I'm going to be installing, testing, and sharing some good information about the Ring Smoke CO Listener to see if this product is good for you. Keep in mind this does require the Ring alarm system to function. Let's jump right in. Comes with a mounting bracket and some screws. As with most Ring devices, we're going to start by setting up a device. This one is going to be under security, I believe. Sensor, and at the bottom, Smoke and CO Listener. Ready. It found the CO Listener. Now we just pull the tab. This will activate the battery. The Smoke CO Listener battery can last up to 3 years. To access the battery, just twist as shown here. It uses a CR123A battery. To put it back together, line up these holes, make sure that these holes are just below that if the Ring logo is upside down, and then twist back together. Back in the app, it says device added. I'm going to put primary bedroom, even though I'm not putting it in there. I will put it right next to the primary bedroom. And I'm just going to call it hallway. Now we're going to install the bracket. Here's my smoke alarm, 3 to 6 inches away, just right here, I guess. This does come with anchors. You can put the anchors in if you want. I'm not going to. I know it'll stick fine to this drywall. Also, if you have popcorn ceiling like this, it's a good idea to get it tested for asbestos. Here's our arrow. We want this pointed towards the smoke alarm. I'm gonna set it right there. And this just clips in by aligning these holes with these tabs and then sliding it over. Back in the Ring app, gonna hit continue setup. Test mode will be on for 15 minutes. Once enabled, begin test by hitting the button on the back. I hit the test button on the back. Now I'm going to step down because this is loud and test the smoke alarm.
Fire. Warning.
Now to finish the setup, you just have to press the button on the back of the CO Smoke Listener and good to go. This smoke alarm is in a separate room about 6 feet away from the CO Listener. I'm just going to see if it's going to pick it up. The CO Smoke Listener did not pick up the alarm that was going off about 5-6 feet away. So the 3 to 6 inches and making sure it's pointing the right way seems pretty accurate with this setup. Unfortunately, you would have to get a CO Smoke Listener for each smoke alarm in your home, unless you have the wiring to where you can wire all the smoke alarms together. I don't think this home has it. This is an older home. I know a lot of new homes have the red traveler wire that connects all of the smoke alarms together, where if one goes off, they all go off. In that case, you would only need one Ring Smoke Alarm CO Listener. Maybe a future project. Now to quickly review the Smoke CO Listener. The way that this works, once you're out of test mode and you have home monitoring enabled, if the fire alarm sounds, the monitoring station will call you and your list of contacts before dispatching the fire department so that you can cancel if it's just a false alarm. If no one on the contact list answers, including yourself, a dispatch request will be made. If the CO alarm sounds, it will dispatch the fire department first, then call you and your list of contacts. As of right now, you cannot cancel this if the fire department is dispatched because of a CO alarm going off. The Ring Smoke CO Listener knows the difference between the beeps from the fire alarm and the CO alarm. 3 long beeps for fire, 4 short beeps for carbon monoxide. This can make it difficult to test your actual CO and smoke alarms via the test button, which is something you should be doing monthly and right after replacing the battery. Even if your Ring system is disarmed, the Ring Smoke CO Listener is always on. Ring recommends is removing the battery from your Ring CO Smoke Listener before testing out any alarm. Replacing smoke CO alarms or just replacing the batteries. Hope this gave you some more information about the Ring Smoke CO listener. I also highly recommend reading up on the articles on the Ring website itself about the Smoke CO listener. It is very helpful, and it'll help you not be like some of the reviewers where the fire department got called as soon as they were setting up the device. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Dave. See you on the next one.